How to search Instagram posts by date. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page. Now here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and from this given list, click on your activity. Then let's scroll down till we find a section that says content you shared. And from there, click on the type of post that you want to search by date. So I'm going, for example, to click on Reels. And here I find all of the Reels that I have posted on my account. Now what I can do is I can click there are two options when it comes to searching the posts by date on Instagram. First one is to click on the newest to oldest filter or drop down, and it will give you two options. You can either search from newest to oldest or the oldest to newest posts, and the second option is to click on the date filter or drop down, which will give you a kind of a date range that you can choose. So you can choose from the predetermined date ranges such as last week, last month, last year, for example, or you can choose a specific date range. Once you click on that, you will have the can choose the start date, and you can choose the end date. And once you do that, you will get the um, posts specific that you have posted uh, on that date range, and you can also use it in combination with this first filter that we've seen. So you'll get uh, the posts or the reels that you have posted on that date range ordered from the newest to oldest or oldest to newest, etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can search your posts by date on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.